So let's do a quick tutorial on Calendly. So hi, my name is Ada. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an appointment on Calendly and use it on your LinkedIn or any other appointment you are trying to set up with anyone. So we're going to go to calendly.com. So this is Calendly, and we are going to be setting up our profile. So this came up. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to sign up with our Google account. Enter your email. So this is my Google account I'm going to be using. Continue. So whenever you are sending out your proposal, um especially when you are sending out cold mails, this is very important because you need to put out a link your prospects will try to reach you, which is like a call to action for them to book an appointment with you. So how do you plan on using Calendly on my own? You can use if you are working with a team. What is your role? Okay, let's put other freelancer. So remember that we are setting up our account. Very important. So my Google Calendar is already connected here. So whenever they book a meeting, it will reflect on my Google Calendar. So automatically, because I use the Google account. So now it's asking me my when I'm going to be available. So now this is very critical and important. Whatever time you are going to set here is what is going to be on your profile. So if you know you are not going to be available at at the time you are going to put, don't put it, because sometimes when they book a meeting with you and you are not available, it doesn't sound professional. So automatically it's showing weekend unavailable. But if available during the weekends, I can add it. So you can see even on Saturdays it's showing unavailable. But if I want to, I can add it. But we don't want to do that. For the sake of this video now, I'm going to be editing the time I'm going to be available on Mondays. So the good thing about Calendly is that um it works with your time zone. So if you are in Nigeria, it's going to work with your time zone. If you are in Ghana, it's going to work with your time zone, and so on. So whatever time you see here is what is going to reflect in your calendar according to Nigeria time. So currently it's 9 o'clock here, and I can decide to change it if I want. So this is like is 24 hours format. So it's in 24 hours format. So this 9 o'clock means 9 a.m. So now I'm not available 9 a.m. probably because I'm still setting up things at home. So let's put it at 11 a.m. And here let's put it at um I'm going to be available from 11 to 3 o'clock, which is going to be 15. So let's put 15:30. So and so on. You can put Tuesday might have a different time, Wednesday might have a different time. If you want all of them to have same time, you edit it that way. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be editing more, but I just showed you how you can do this. So I'm going to click next. So now it's asking you, how would you like to meet with people? Set a meeting location for your first time. So I prefer using Google Meets, but I also know how to use Zoom. I know how to use Microsoft Teams and so on. So if it's a phone call, it all depends on how you want to meet. So my preference is Google Meet. So they are setting up my profile. So like I said, this is very, very important for you to know. Aside for yourself, you can also use it for your clients, help to set up their profile when they are available, so that whoever is trying to reach out to them or have a meeting with them, they can book an appointment with them using the Calendly format. So my profile is ready. I don't want to. So you can see now 30 minutes settings and all that automatically, but we're not going to make use of this. So we're going to need to edit this. So let's go to our profile. So in this case, you should put a picture so they can actually know who they are booking a meeting with. So this is the um place where you can put in your picture, your name here. You can say this is my name automatically with my Gmail, but let's put Ada. A welcome message now. This is also important and also not really necessary. The one here automatically is welcome to my scheduling page. Please follow the instruction to add an event to my calendar. So English format, date format. So I told you the time format is 24 hours. So we're going to change it to 12. I don't know. Am I the only one that love using 12 hours format? So okay, Nigeria, the time zone, can decide to change your time zone or not, but this doesn't really matter. Another thing, guys, the owner of this Calendly is a Nigerian. Yeah, the owner is a Nigerian. So settings. So we've set up our profile. So now let's go to our communication settings. Receive an email when someone adds you as a host to a meeting type. This should always be on. Very important. So let's go to our branding. So if you have like a company and you want to put in their logo, you can put it here. It's going to come out when when they are trying to book a call. They can see it there. So they said use Calendly branding. Okay, this is fine. Then my link. So this is your link. You can just copy, and so we are going through all the buttons here to be sure of everything here. So now this is just it. So there's something else I want to show you. Let's create a new event. Let's create a new event. So now this event is a one-on-one event and the host is me. So now let's do some setting up here. So remember that the duration of time that automatically came on after we finished setting up our profile was 30 minutes. So you can decide to change it here and put 15 minutes, because I don't know what you are talking about for a whole 30 minutes. So the name of your event, let's say meeting with Ada, the virtual assistant. You can put whatever you want to put, just put something. So location, Zoom, phone call, in person, all options, Google Meet. Continue. So you can see, just book like, you can create an event like this and decide to see the time you are free. Can you see it? You are not busy during the weekend. So what do? You just copy it and paste it in whatever you want to do. So to book an event, share the link with your invitees. So let's go to our live page. So this is your meeting. So you can just copy this link and decide to put it on any of your profile. Like currently is on my LinkedIn. Currently it is on my LinkedIn. And if you are sending out cold mails to anyone and you want them to reach out to you, instead of sending you an email and all that, you can copy that link, paste it, and they can reach out to you that way. So let's see. So you can see the link right here. This is my own link. When you click on it, it's going to take you to my Calendly. So you can see it's going to take you to my Calendly and for you to book your, so you can see meet with Ada the virtual assistant, just like the one I did. This is, I'm just showing you my sample. So you can book a meeting and just follow the process. So now you can see the time available. They can choose any time they want to communicate with me. So I'm going to show you something. How can you do this? Just go to this pen icon, scroll down, look at it here, copy and paste. Then the link text, you can write book a one-on-one call, book an appointment, contact me, anything, and just save it. It's going to come out that way. So let me show you something else on Calendly. I'm going to show you something else on Calendly. Okay, so done. So this is availability. If you want to edit when you are going to be available, you can see. You can decide on Mondays I'm too busy. You know, it works that way automatically. Just remove the days you are not available and all that. Then what else? Strengthen your, so just go through the Calendly does a lot of things. If you want to explore, it is also important for you to know this. Like I said, you can be working with someone that prefers using Calendly, a client that prefers using Calendly. So you can see that it integrates with other apps. So that's another topic on its own, showing you how apps integrate with each other. They work hand in hand. You can see Calendly works with Google Meet. They work with Google Calendar. And you can see that we've connected already. Can you see? We are connected already. So in Zapier, if you want to create an automation, you can use Zapier. You can allow Calendly to have access to your Slack and Slack have access to your Calendly. It just works that way. So it is really, really nice and easy to use. So thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in another video. Bye.